Hello all and welcome to another episode of Trade of the Week. I did try to make a video last week. I was on holiday in Greece, just enjoying the sun. Now back in London and it's really cold. But yeah, I did try to make a video last week, but the hotel internet wasn't the best. I remember after I finished recording it, then let me watch it back to see if it was actually good. It was just really choppy and crackly, and I was like, that's a shame because I spent the time actually recording it, talking about the holiday, the whole lot. And yeah, when I watched it back, it was just really horrible. But anyway, I came back on Thursday. We're just predominantly focused on US30 because I tried my best not to look at the charts as well for the entirety of the holiday, which was like 8 days. So I said, you know what, let me take a break from trading, not look at the charts or anything. There was some good sales that I was trying to show you on Sunday, but the recording was just really rubbish. So those are the trades that I was holding. I didn't look at my phone or anything. I saw on Sunday when I finally opened up the charts that some trades hit TP, which is Euro AED, and Euro USD, which was what I was trying to show you. But yeah, this week, trade of the week, US30. As you can see here, we was looking at, when I first marked this up, I was looking at 3 potential setups. And then as time went on, I was like, oh, what if we do react from this area over here? Okay, so we all know, or if you don't know, here's a little tip slash nugget for you. Every day in the UK at 2:30, we usually get good spikes and big moves on the US30 pair. So there's various reasons behind that. I'll let you do your own research. Most of my students and clients know. But yeah, every day from 2 o'clock, I start looking at US30 and seeing where we could get the best execution from. So yeah, this is why I had all of this set up. And then it got closer to the time. You can see I print screen this at, what time was it? 2:19. And then I was like, oh, what if we got a set up from here? So I was led to the group, just watch this area as well. So how did this all play out? Boom, we all know how it all played out. Okay, every day I just simply want 100 points minimum from US30, and that's good. Like it's more than enough money to feed me for the week. Okay, so every day I just kind of look at that and think, yeah, I just need 100 points. That's it. Okay, and obviously if we get more, we get more. Which on this occasion, yeah, we kind of did. So you can see these are the 3 points I was looking at here initially, and then this is when I said to the group, oh, watch this point as well. And then, like I always teach, you have to be very adaptable. Yes, we want the entry from here, but you have to see how things adapt. So this happened, it went up here, was thinking maybe we could get entry from him. No, it went up. As soon as this happened, since we got a break of structure through these 2 candles, that was when I knew it was time to adapt. And these are the kind of things you can't really print screen because again, you can see I'm on a 1 minute time frame right here. Okay, there's no time to print screen this, send it to the group, and then say, oh yeah, you guys get in, because it's happened literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Boom, and then it happens. Okay, and remember I said about 2:30? What's the time here? If you can see, 2:30. That's the spike. So this was a 2:30 catch, and that's what I was pointing out to the group at the time. Even though we wanted a lower entry from here, you have to be very adaptable. And I was always looking at the same thing we're looking for all the time. So from there, we didn't get the initial entry we wanted, but boom, we got it from here, and 100 points a day, keep the job away. Okay, so boom, 115 today. That was the first TP. Twin traded it. So that TP closed. Okay, simply just targeting what we always target, just some high rise liquidity over here. So that got taken out. I could put that there now. Actually, I could delete this whole thing. So that's the first TP. Boom, hit that. And then the second one is riding, and we had a H1 TP area for that. That got hit as well, and then started flowing. I remember I started selling from here as well. Got down to this area here, came back up, came down. Then when I put my stop profit just over here, got taken out, and then I was like, yeah, I'm done for the day because this was a Friday, and I was like, yeah, I'm done, because yeah, US30 is a crazy pair. Once you understand how this moves and how it pays, you don't really need to trade nothing else really. So this is why I love trading this, because on this you could call me a scalper, kind of. Okay, because day in, day out, I'm just literally on a smaller time frames, boom, in and out, and I'm done. Because if you think about it, pairs like Euro USD, Euro AED, and all these kind of pairs, they take days, sometimes even weeks to move 100 pips, 100 points. You can see on average, US30 every day does 200 to 300, sometimes 400 on average every single day. So if you're trading this and you understand how it pays, yeah, there's nothing more to say about that. Okay, so for me, this was the trade of the week. Also on a Thursday, I done the same thing. Did I print screen that one? I can't remember if I did. No, I didn't print screen that one as well. I had the setup for it, but the print screen, it just nah, it was a rubbish setup. It didn't play out how I wanted it to, and then I just never done another sprint screen for the Thursday one. But this one, yeah, it was nice to end the week, and then yeah, full week back in trading, looking at my charts and everything again. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the week, and it's a new month as well. So yeah, I'm just excited to get things going. But yeah, this trade right here, beautiful. Okay, so when I was talking about the H1, I just had that point of interest, which is played off now, and then yeah, we're gonna see how this develops over the week. Okay, but yeah, I'm still very curious about this H4 area over here. It's making its way back up. It's making its way back up very slowly, but I kind of do want it to go in there. But market structure is very interesting right now. I'm just wondering if we can actually get back into there. It's kind of doing an accumulation right now. Okay, accumulation just through there, but all through here is distributed. So I'm just curious to see how this plays out as the week goes on. We've seen what's happened with the DXY and everything. It's very interesting right now, but a very big spike on Friday, which shows me that we're kind of making some moves to get back into these areas. If it gets into here, it'll be very interesting. I love it because we're going to be selling down big time, big time. Is it this chart that I've got my yeah? So this was the initial trade, and I said, I remember saying to the team and everything, I said, I don't know if this is going to happen, but if it happens, we're going to be laughing because yeah, I mean, if you trade US30 and you understand that's 11,000 points, and this one is 15,000, nearly 16,000 points. And I said, watch this area. That's where we started selling from. I wish when we did sell it, I just held it. I just held a position because, imagine catching this and just holding and having that for your print screen portfolio. Being on Instagram, putting on Instagram and just bragging. But yeah, now I'm playing. That's not really my style. But yeah, with US30, these kind of moves, once you do catch it, it's best to just hold and yeah, just be confident with it because that's a lot of points, man. That's a lot of money. Okay. So yeah, but just due to the nature of US30, it's best to be in and out. It's not one of those pairs that you can hold it if you're kind of more of a swing trader like that and more into stocks. But if you're trading Forex and you just in and out of this thing, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this trade here, I remember when I was looking at it, I was thinking, is it even possible for this to happen? This will mean a lot of stuff to happen in the world. We'll have another market crash that's devastating, absolutely devastating. And sometimes, like I say, I don't know when or if it's going to happen, or should I say, I don't know when or how it's going to happen. But when the chart tells you it wants to do something, it wants to do something. Because I'll show you an example. Like GU, I remember I print screened it in December, just the end of 2019, and it was here. And I said, I don't know how or when we're going to have a market crash, but we're going to have a market crash because it shows us everything that we look for in a trade. I remember it was here, okay? December 19, around here. I said, we're going to get a market crash. Why? Because we just had everything we look for. And again, this is content I don't usually like to show on YouTube, but just understanding what we look for all the time, it just looked like it's going to happen. And I said, it's going to happen. So 1985, we had a point of interest. In 2020, boom, it hits that point of interest. And now we're looking for upsides. Again, this is another one. I said, I don't know how or when we're going to get up here, but the chart is telling us it wants to do it. So we just buy. Okay, we just buy. So we've been buying since here. Okay, I remember I caught firstly the 1,000 pips from here, and then I closed out, and then we found some re-entries, and we've been buying GU and everything ever since. And obviously in the last month or so, we've been selling off. But long term, I don't know how or when we're going to get into here, but I know it's going to happen. Okay, because yeah, the chart's telling us it's going to happen. Like just like I said, here I didn't know how we're going to get a market crash, but guess what happened? COVID-19 in March, and everyone's in lockdown. Boom, everything crashes. Okay, so we don't know how this is going to happen, but the chart's telling us it wants to happen. So just exactly like that. So we'll see how things develop. I wonder if I've got that. I should have it. Print screen. Where is it? What am I looking for right now? Actually, US. Where is it? US30. Yeah, there it is. Just wondering what I was looking for. Is it this print screen? Yeah, this is it. So I was saying, when did I print screen this? Actually, August the 24th. Okay, I said I don't know how this is going to happen, but if it happens, we're going to be laughing. Okay, so I had that first initial point of interest. I said we could potentially come to here, or we could go to there and crash right the way through. And you can already see what's happened. Okay, let's go back to US30. Was it this chart? Nah, this one. Okay, on a weekly. Okay, and you can see, boom, it's happening. So yeah, I find it hard to believe that it's going to drop all the way down here, but you have to be ambitious sometimes. And this is why trading is fun. It's like a game. Always think of the best outcome if possible. Because if you just think, oh, that's never going to happen, or it's not going to drop to there, like, how are you ever going to make a lot of money? Okay, how are you going to ever hold trades for a long time, have a long point of interest? And this is what I focus on. This is what I teach. Have a long point of interest, and then see how you can manufacture your way into there. Because if you have a point of interest for the long term, it just makes it fun. That's how I see it. So I'll show you an example of exactly what I mean. If I knew how to trade the way I do now in 2016, I would have put all my money into gold. Okay, unfortunately, I only learned how to trade this way in 2019. Okay, if I knew how to trade the way I do now in 2015/16, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so we had the Wyckoff schematics going on here. Okay, literally picture perfect. You couldn't get any better if it tried. Okay, literally picture perfect. Had a spring test. This is what I mean. If I knew how to trade this way in 2015, once I saw this, we would have buying all the way up into here. First point of interest, second point of interest, third point of interest, fourth point of interest. Okay, about 7,000 pips up and down. Okay, if I knew about this, it would have been nothing. Okay, so now it's just very interesting. We have broken structure, so I do expect a pullback into these areas. I don't know how low, maybe just even to here, because I've got a daily point of interest here. Then I'm looking to potentially keep buying up, but I want to see how it reacts from that daily point of interest first. If not, just imagine if we do get a pullback right into here. So everything I missed in 2015/17, I get a second chance at it. So we'll see how that plays. Very optimistic, but like I say, you have to think about the best possible outcome of your trades. That's one big psychological thing that changed a lot of things for me. I just thought, what's the best possible outcome? All right, cool, let's trade it. Okay. And that's literally what changed a lot of stuff for me. So on that note, I'm going to leave you just with this again. Okay. This US30 every day at 2:30 in the UK time. That's a big nugget for you. Okay. Don't say I don't give away free value. Okay. But every day at 2:30 US30, I just literally look at a 5 minute, under 1 minute, and then I execute. Okay. Because yeah, it's just beautiful. Am I even on the right chart? No. I was thinking something looks weird. Okay. Yep, that's literally the trade of the week right there. Okay. Literally trade of the week. Too clean. Too clean. Okay, so yeah, trade of the week, US30. There we have it. Hope you have a great week, a profitable week. Until next time, we'll see what we could catch this week and what I could kind of hopefully show you. If you want to learn with us, you want to join the Discord group chat or anything, just click the link in the bio down below, and then you'll see exactly how to get access to that. So until next time, God bless, happy trading, take care.